weekend. This morning you woke up and Netflix did their split. Did everybody see that?
Yes, sir.
Woo! Now remember, probably the first day or two it will pull back, as I discussed over the weekend. And then after that, I anticipate not guaranteed financial tax or investment advice, but typically after the split, after the first day or two, it will typically run up 3 to 15% within the first 4 to 6 weeks. Yes, you heard me right. So we will see. We'll see if the old man's wrong. Haven't been wrong yet. It's only been 3 years, though, every single waking moment that I've been with you 24/7 for over 3 years straight. But who knows? Maybe I'll get one wrong. I don't know. That would be different. That would be different.
I'll take the odds.
Yeah. So we'll see. Who knows? We'll see. So really depends on a lot of things. We've got a lot of catalysts coming up. We've got earnings, right? We're going to lead into hopefully the Christmas rally. We already had our Uptober where everybody, right? We were doing the things. And I told you a week ago to anticipate the market being mostly to the downside because we had no catalysts. Was I right or wrong on that? Was the old man wrong?
No, sir.
I don't think the old man was wrong.
Right. So hopefully we'll be coming off the tail end of that now. We've got obviously some big heavy hitter earnings coming up. I was trying to, don't we have a channel for earnings? I could have swore we did. And I've been trying to find it. I was like, where's it at?
What, in Discord?
Yes, we
Yes.
do.
Yes, sir, we do.
And what is the primary heading for it? What's the
Earnings.
channel?
Under market prep earnings.
Earnings.
Market prep. There it is. Market prep earnings. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Okay, this is exactly what I was looking for. Mine was minimized for some reason. All right. Big one. Wednesday. Market mover. Whoa. NVIDIA. After hours on Wednesday. That one will drive the entire AI and technological market. That's going to be a big one, right?
Yes, sir.
It always is.
Yep.
Biggie.
We'll see what it wants to do. I thought there was one more heavy hitter. Let me look. Hold on. One that it was NVIDIA and was that it? That might have been it. Okay. Well, that's the biggest one. It's the largest one. We'll see.
Walmart on Thursday morning.
Yeah, Walmart. We got the Walmart. How about Weeble too, right? Weeble after hours Thursday. And I guess that's it. I guess that was the big dog. That's the one we're going to be looking for sure. Let me see what that one's looking like right now. Down 1.5% after basically 1.5% gain on Friday. So pretty much break even. Still around that 200 mark. The 52-week high or its all-time high was 212. So we're not too far off the mark from that. Like I said, I anticipated a market pullback because there wasn't really anything, no catalyst, no driving force, nothing really to, move the market to the upside. So this is the result of that. Hopefully by Wednesday, and it is coming back into earnings, right? We will start to see the market start to climb again. Doesn't mean it's going to, but we will see. That we've had one heck of a market rally for a long time now. Very, very, very bullish market after the collapse of 2 months when everybody was freaking out about tariffs, and then the market just ripped. As you can see right here on my screen, we had that pullback once it hit around. What was this? Yeah, it was around 613-ish. Right here is where we pulled back. That was, you can see February, and then it fully recovered by June. Right there. There was your market pullback. That was your correction when everybody said the market was going to crash and oh no, and this is the end and this is going to be worse than Black Swan Friday Rona 1920 Wall Street crash. Right? This is it. So here we are, all-time highs. Market's great. 401ks are great. Life is great. Everybody's great. Thank you for being here. Appreciate you. Let me get rid of all of this madness. Okay, it's 9:10. If you guys want to join us, of course, at any time, go to our website, American Dream Trading. Get set up. We are doing a 1-week free trial, which I'll probably end that soon. 1-week free trial for premium, crypto, or futures. You guys can get in and try us out for a week. That will be ending soon. Speaking of ending soon, diamonds are going away. This is the tail end of the diamonds. Congratulations to close to 500 people who were able to scoop that up and never have to pay any membership services ever again on a diamond lifetime membership. Don't worry. After I retire that entire program line, I will be replacing it with something else that I don't give away the farm on anymore. So, yeah. So again, congratulations if you want to take advantage of getting all of our membership services in one-time fee, $5K. Do it now. This is your last opportunity. Other than that, of course, we have things that a little something for everybody's budget, right? If you just want to start with stocks and options, we've got the premium membership starting at $125 a month. If you want to get into our crypto, we got that on super sale while we're building up that platform over there, $50 a month. And futures is $250 a month, and that is because it comes with our Trading View indicators. If you guys are curious, again, at anything that you want to know about that we do, go to our Discord server by following the American Dream Trading, clicking on the button that says, check out all of our memberships. It is free over on our Discord. We have hundreds, if not thousands of hours of free education from how-to videos, terminology, flashcards, games, ebooks, and more to get you started for free. We have more free education, more free training than any stock market training company that I'm aware of in the world. So thank you again for being here. If you guys are watching over on the YouTubes, do me a favor. Click that subscribe. We're now over 17,000 subscribers. We're trying to hit 20,000 by the end of this year. I know it's a stretch, but we'll see. We're starting to really get some traction over on YouTube. We have thousands of training videos over on YouTube, so I appreciate that. One of our videos is popping off, my 921 EMA training. I think it has 70,000 views now. That is on pace to become our first 100,000 view video. That's real nice. We're excited about that. Don't forget, today is Bruno's birthday. So if you would do me a favor, one of my moderators is going to post Bruno's Cash App over there. That'd be great if you guys can pitch in. We made a mistake. We thought it was over the weekend. So if you've already given Bruno some money, that's great. If you're feeling extra generous, well, throw some more money at him, right? Bruno over here, right, Mr. Super Admin, and takes care of all of the things behind the scenes, right? So make sure you guys show him the love today. Appreciate you. If you guys want to get a one-on-one with myself, we do have some discounted deals going on. Today, if you buy 2 hours, I'll give you 1. You buy 10, I'll give you 2. You buy 20, I'll give you 3. You buy 50, I'll give you 5. 5 free hours, right? So whatever you guys want to do. So if you're interested in doing a one-on-one with me, or if you want to do some sort of mentorship where I meet with you once a week or twice a month, we have that. I have 2 spots available, by the way. 2. I literally have 2 spots available if you want to do a mentorship with me. That's it. right? I've scheduled myself out for one of those a day, basically 4 days a week. That's all I'm going to do. I will not take on any more. I don't need to. It's not a money thing. I'm just trying to help you out. So if you guys are interested, do it now, because those obviously, once they're filled up for the whole year. There's nothing more I can do about it. I'm not taking on any more students at this time. Everybody, please do me a favor. Make sure you refer 3 people. That's what we're doing in November. 3 people, refer them to American Dream Trading. I want you to post that in the Traders Lounge today. The 3 people that you have referred. You can just do first name, last initial, something like that to help us out. If you've referred 1, put 1 name out there. Who knows? Maybe we'll have some kind of drawing or something that comes out of that at some point. I don't know. Maybe something. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge, wink, wink. I don't know. So make sure you are referring people to us. Make sure you guys are committed to what we're doing, which is people helping people. Make sure you guys are following all of our rules, by the way. Make sure to never lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value ever in any given day. Make sure you have stop losses on each and every trade. Make sure while you are in training, you are paper trading and simulate trading only. Make sure you journal every single day while you are in here. Do not trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day if you are a newer trader. Please make sure you go in with small position sizes that will allow those runners to run and stop out those losers. And if you are new, you want to be looking at stocks instead of options, futures, crypto, etc., just because it's a little bit easier to get a foothold. Try not to look at more than, 1 to 5 different stocks. That way you're not all over the place. We're trying to get this minimized, right? We're trying to get you focused, laser focused. And the biggest part of everything that we do here is risk management. This is all about risk management. If you're just going to come in and blow up and lose all your money like it's a casino, you're not training. So I want you to train more and trade less. One of the other big things too, I would say, is don't make more than 1 to 5 trades in any given day, especially in the very beginning. After that, of course, if you're finding success and you're a day trader, obviously, and you have the capital and the correct accounts, you can do all of the things, right? So everybody, remember, we're trying to help you protect your assets while growing your portfolio, and that all comes down to that risk management. Real quick, I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Don, Miranda, and Happily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Palm Coast, Richard, Doug, Bucko, Chris, Eminem, Ralph, James, Gilly, and Diesel Dan. Thank you so much. Thank you to all of our military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, thank you. We appreciate you and honor you every single day here. That goes also for our first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Wow, thank you. We got the real horn today. Appreciate you. Thank you. Okay, cool. Thank you, Mark. Keep me in the loop, buddy. Thinking about you. Thoughts and prayers for Mark and his dad today. His dad's going through surgery today, so Mark will not be with us. I believe that Doug will be filling in for Mark, so that's exciting. Make sure everybody, listen to me. Listen to me right now. Make sure everybody goes over and supports. I don't care if you're trading futures or not. Go over and support Doug this afternoon from 2 to 4, right? While he's over there, because you guys know it's not easy to do what we're doing, right? What Mark and I and Dawn do every single day. I know we make it look easy, but it's not. It's kind of stressful. It's hard to answer nonstop questions. It's hard to not have dead air. It's hard to entertain and educate all at the same time. So make sure you go over there, cheer them on, right? Show them some love from 2 to 4 o'clock today. I'd really appreciate that. Today, I will be driving to a little Airbnb beach house. So as soon as I get off line, I'm going to be packing up. I got most of my tech stuff, equipment, everything's ready to go. I will be streaming live like I always do, from a remote location, just trying to get out of the house, a different environment for the day. So you guys will see me somewhere else instead of out of my HQ. So looking forward to that. A little bit of a move on. Don't forget, if you guys like prop firm trading, if you like to use prop firms to trade, we have partnered with a U.S. company called Tradeify. So if you guys go to our website, and I just posted it over on YouTube, and it is scrolling, right? You can see all of our information is scrolling on the bottom. And on my screen, it says Tradeify for best deals, use the code ADT. So anytime you guys reset the account or purchase any of those prop firm memberships, they have 3 different flavors of memberships. Use the code ADT for the best deal. We are a premier partner with them. You will get the best deal you can find. All right, we've got about 10 minutes to the bell. The market right now, so far, at least SPY and Apple and some of the other ones that I'm staring at, are to the downside. Now remember, check your bias at the door. I don't care what you think the market is going to do. This market will have a way of humbling you extremely fast. If you think you're in control of what the market is going to do, you are sadly mistaken. You can see right here, SPY on Friday had this double bottom, right, which it broke through by, what is this, 664 basically to 27. Look at this. This was still technically a double bottom. Excuse me. If you look at this double bottom on SPY, right, pulled back at the open. Excuse me. Wow. Losing my voice already, and it's Monday. Pulled back at the open and ran the rest of the day. Everybody see that on SPY? All day long, right? When everybody was so worried about it, and it pulled in the pre-market. So I want you to think about this. If you would have used your bias, right now I'm drawing on my screen. If you're watching for free, you don't see this. If you're part of our Zoom membership, though, we've got 300 people in the room. They can see this. But look at right here. If your overall bias would have been to the downside and you would have came out of the gate and you would have shorted this, this would have ripped your face off. Am I right?
Correct.
Yep.
That's why we don't do that. So you can see here now, some of you that have been listening to me, and I've been telling you to look for those A+ setups. What are my 2 favorite trades in the business? Anybody?
Double tops.
Double bottom.
That's right. So if this is my double bottom right here, this is clearly where it bounced. And this right here is my double top. Weren't these the best 2 trades of the day?
Yes, sir.
Did you need
Yes.
anything else from that? No. That is 2 trades. 2 trades. This was 1. This was 2. That's all you needed for the day. Isn't that within my 1 to 5 threshold? Yes. Now, if you look at this a little bit deeper right here, isn't this also another one right here? Isn't this also considered a double bottom bounce?
Yes, sir.
There it is, right? So if we started looking at these areas, so you had 3 opportunities for A+ setups. You did not have to get ridiculous. You did not have to go crazy. You did not have to like freak out all day. What do I do? If you guys also are using my strategy, the 2-minute EWO strategy, this was your move. This was your entry. This is where it went all day. 1 trade, A+, 6-star, 2-minute EWO. Merry Christmas, all the things, right? That's it. Done. Did it ever break below VWAP on this 2-minute EWO ever after you got in it? No. So did you
Nope.
need to get out?
No.
No.
Nope.
Nope. That's it. Done. One trade. Boom. There you go. All right. We've got about 5 minutes, 15 seconds here before the market bell rings. Remember, here at American Dream Trading, myself, Chad, Christian, and anybody else associated with us, none of us are financial, tax, or investment advisors. Everything we discuss is for training and education purposes. Real quick, we had another amazing week last week. I don't know if you guys know this or not, and I know this is going to sound crazy for those of you that are new rolling in the door. Last week, as reported by my members, not verified, not checking brokerage statements, I don't give two craps, not going into their accounting and all the stuff that you should not be doing because that's illegal, asking people for their account information. Last week, over $10 million in profits for our trading community. That's 10 million, not 10,000, not 100,000, not a million. $10 million last week. We are on pace in the next, think about this, we are on pace in the next 12 months to do over $250 million. $250 million with a B dollars in profits for our trading community. It's unheard of. I know right now it's got to be well over 300 million. So we are closing in, right? If you think about it, within the next year or two, we'll be closing in on $1 billion in profits. Has anybody ever heard of anything like that in the history of stock market retail trading ever?
You're writing the book, Coach.
Yes, I'm super excited for all of you. Let's just continue to crush this market soul, right? Let's continue to uplift each other, be the light. Speaking of be the light, I got to put my Jesus up here. Everybody could use a little Jesus. Right there you go. I don't know if you guys can see that. I need to find a better spot for him. He's going to ride shotgun up here on my shotgun mic. I think I'm going to super glue him right there. What do you guys think?
You're going to super glue Jesus.
No, tape them.
That doesn't sound right.
Super glue Jesus.
Just nail him, Coach.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Just tape them.
Oh my. If you're gonna put it that way,
got you to laugh.
oh boy. Now I probably shouldn't do
Coach,
that.
Coach, would it be poor taste to say use a nail?
Yeah. No. Yeah. I'm not doing that. I'm not.
Yeah, might as well
Yeah.
just
I'm not
say it.
doing that. I'm not even gonna
sorry.
say that. That's terrible. All right.
Sorry.
Terrible.
You're right. No, no.
Yeah. Okay.
Take that
Listen,
back.
it was bad enough I said super glue. All right. Listen.
Yep.
Yeah. The moral of the story, here you go. Here, this is for you today. Right? Little Jesus. A little Jesus right there. Right? Here's a little, everybody needs a little Jesus. That should be their marketing slogan. Says Jesus loves you. Appreciate you all. Okay. 2 minutes to the bell. You'd think it's Friday. It's getting a little out of hand already. We're going to watch these key critical areas. Now watch. Remember, every single day you should mark pre-market high, low, previous day high, previous day low. It should not take you long. And then, of course, we will address some key areas. Now listen, we have 1 minute to the bell. This is how fast this should happen. Okay. There's your pre-market low. I've already marked previous day. Let's see. Yeah, previous day goes hand in hand. Pre-market high and previous day high went hand in hand. And right there's your previous day low. That's it. We're done. Okay, we're going to do the same thing for Apple. Why? Because I always have Apple and SPY up on my screen. Right here is pre-market high, previous day low, pre-market low, and we're done. That's it. 10 seconds each. Right? And like I said, try not to overload the system with 18 million lines, right? So right here, key critical area I'll be watching for. I'll be watching for that area right there. If we get down a little bit lower, I'm going to watch this area right there. I'm going to watch that area right there. And I'm going to watch that area right there. Okay, great. And as the market starts to go, it's going to show me what it wants to do. I, of course, will be trading with a live cash account right in front of your face, like I always do. If I'm ever trading a prop firm, I did that for like 3 weeks within the last 3 years. But if I ever do that, I'll let you know. Not that it matters, but just for full transparency, like I always have. But it's always a cash account live that I'll be trading. So the market, again, has pulled back at the open. So I'm going to look for either a slight pullback or a bounce to start. We'll see. Let's rock and roll. All right. So far, still pulling here at the open. I am watching the 669.50. All right. Still pulling. If you guys see any obvious runners, let us know. Gonna get in a little dab will do you right here. To the downside, still pulling. Got stopped out on that. I'm going to have to open the stop up just a little bit here. I think that might be a little too tight. So it hit, let's see, 660, basically 669. I'm going to mark it. Right there, that's what it was using. Still bouncing around this area. Apple 2-minute EWO out of the gate to the downside. Apple 2-minute EWO to the downside.
Q's testing bottom at 605.50.
All right, thank you. There goes SPY. SPY just bounced up on the 1 minute to the 9, heading back up to the 21. Big old bounce right here. Like I said, I was looking for support and then a bounce. And this is our bounce right here. Now we're going to see if we're going to get a continuation to go higher or if this is going to settle down and pull back. Just waiting right here, being patient. $670.29. SPY is now on the bottom of VWAP right here. I am going to short this area, see if we're going to get a continuation of this pullback or not. Do not mirror or mimic my trades. That's not what I'm doing this for. Watching to see right here if we're going to get this pullback on VWAP. Still thinking about it. 670.60 was another major resistance level for it. Watching, see if we're like, again, going to see if we're going to get this pullback or not here. Thinking about it. Still making highs. Still making highs. Go ahead.
I was going to say Google's been strong out of the bell.
Yep.
To the upside.
Yep. Google just got a huge cash infusion, remember? Berkshire just bought tons of Googles. Everybody know that?
Yeah.
Tesla is doing the same thing.
All right, thank you.
The upside.
Thank you. I got stopped out on this one. Still making a move. Oh yeah, still got lots to go here. So it did break above VWAP. Previous day close. I'm watching on that, okay. Yeah, we got about 68 cents to previous day close. That stop loss did not go into effect. I wonder why. I'm going to have to close and reset this. My stop loss didn't even go in there. Love it when it does that. Still, there it goes. Still got a little bit more to give. Letting it work up there. Move my stop just a bit to protect that trade. Almost to previous day close. Moving my stop. There's 1,500. 1,600. Moving my stop. 1,700. 1,800. 1,900 in profit so far. 2,000. Boom, I'll take it. Collected about 1,400 bucks.
Nice work, Coach.
Thank you. 20 cents to previous day close. 20 cents away from previous day close.
It's at the 200 right now.
Yep.
Hughes have second 2-minute EWO, but ceiling at 610.
All right, thank you. There we go. SPY at the 200 and previous day close. SPY now fighting to go from red to green. Like I said, check that bias at the door, right? It ran down all pre-market. I said, watch for that to find support to run up, right? It's beautiful. It's glorious. Now SPY is green for the day. And it is just on a tear. Am I right, ladies and gentlemen?
Yes, Coach.
It's moving real nice. All right, 672.80 is the next level of resistance that I have here. Good job, everybody, making that cash money dollars. Anybody making any money yet this morning? Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yep.
Oh, yes.
Good job. All right, getting a slight pullback right here. Oh, stopped out on that. Still got a lot of buyers in here. Oh, dang it. I got to close Weeble again. Dang it. I forgot to close my Weeble app. No stop at the time of purchase. I hate that. You don't want to see a knife drop when you buy it, right? There we go. Get a nice move. Still got a ways to go here. There we go. Nice push. I like it. There's 800. Collect 500 bucks. I'm going to restart my Weeble real quick. Bear with me. All right, now it's back. Let me reshare this Zoom back out. All right, can you guys all see my Weeble again?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Yeah, we can see it.
Thank you. All right, does anybody else see anything? Hot stock picks, anything else going on? Or are we all just trading the same thing this morning?
I actually just got in the 2-minute Evo, green Evo on IWM.
Oh, nice job.
The 2 minute on Tesla is phenomenal.
Thank you. There's my EWO. I was like, why is this not showing up? There it goes. And we're in a 2-minute EWO for SPY as well to the upside, correct?
Yep.
So far in a 4-star trade to the upside. That's 672.80. Remember me saying that was the next level of resistance, right? Watching here, see what we're going to get.
The SPX 2-minute just hit the 200 and rejected.
Yep, thank you. Yeah, 672.80 was that next level. Slight pullback here. There it goes. There's 200, 250.
The 200 and the 9 are together.
Yep.
Right there.
I'll take it for 200. Was looking for a little bit more pull, but this pulled back to the 9 on the 1 minute. See if we're going to get a bounce or if it's going to keep pulling on SPY. Looking to see if we're going to get a bounce right here. Wow, 20 is too tight. Going to go 40. There it is. Nice bounce off that 9. Anybody take that with me? Oh, yeah. That's nice.
I did, boss.
Yep.
I got you.
That's nice. My other one was just too short, so I jumped back in it again. Look at that. Yes. There's 600, 680. There's 700. There's 940. There's 1,000. All the way up to the 200. Yes, there's 1,000. There's 1,100. Taking it there for 1,100. Nice. I'm out. Did you guys see me take it right up to that micro double top?
Perfect.
Yes, sir. Yes, coach.
Nice, nice.
Yes, we did.
So choice. And there's the pullback right off that double top. Tell me that isn't a beautiful, beautiful setup. Double tops, double bottoms, baby, right? Yes.
Yes, sir, coach. That's all I do.
Nice, nice. That's working out good for you, isn't it, Levi?
Yes, coach. Sorry. I'm muted.
Yeah, no worries. All right, back down to this 200. We're right back at that previous day close again. Same exact drill. Previous day close. Now fighting from green to red. Apple pulling back on 269.70. We want to see a break above 269.70 on Apple to the upside. That's what you're looking for. Right here again. Now SPY off that 200. Looking for that. Yep. Bounce back to the upside. Boy, 40 stopped out. Candle, big moves on these. $9.45.
133 ATR on NQ, coach.
Is it really? Okay. Yeah, and I'm using 40.
On the 2 minute, yeah.
Wow, yep. Yep. That's crazy.
Swingy.
Yeah, it is. All right, right back up here again on resistance.
Apple's on second green, EWO.
Okay, thank you. Oh, this is long in it then. Okay.
Tesla is having a huge push to the upside, so I think it's helping SPY to stay up.
Yep, Apple's, of course, right, starting to make that move upside as well. Let me check the cues.
Coach, and then SPY on the 200 2-minute, it's 673.40, so we have some room to go up there.
All right, thank you.
Gotcha.
Yep, I see it up there.
A little bit of a nerve-wracking 2 minute EVO on IWM, coach, but nothing is said to get out yet.
Hey, good job then, right?
Yes, sir.
Trust the training. You know what I'm saying? There's 600.
Use testing the 200.
Thank you.
611.
There we go. Take another 500 out of the market right there. Nice push here to the upside on SPY now. Lot of room to go here. Get up there, baby. Push. 100 bucks. Looking nice. We stay above that SPY 200. I like that. Right? On the 2 minute. Let's see what we got. Oh, yeah. Stay up here. We're in this channel up to the 673.76 now. Everybody see that? If we can stay up above this this double top area. There's that double top area. This should be support. We're still hovering around 70 cents of previous day close. I'm watching for this candle to stall out, and then I'm going to try to long this off this 9 if we can stay here. There it is. A minute. There it goes. Nice boost right there. There's 800, 860. There's 1,000. Boom, I'll take it. It's another 1,000. Did you guys see the way I traded that? Looked for it to stall right out here on that 9, took it. I know. I know. You're so amazed.
Very nice.
Back again here on the same exact level. All of this acting as support.
Qs have to break 612 to go long.
Yep, I see it. 612.25. Yep, about 612.25 is a big spot there, isn't it, Richard?
Yes, sir.
On SPY, we've got resistance around 673.12 is what it showed last time. This is your channel, ladies and gentlemen, right here. 673.12 to 672.66. See it? That's our channel. Like I said, stay above that 200 on the 2-minute. You should have some nice clear skies on SPY. Eight seconds on this 1-minute candle.
Tesla, Meta, and Nvidia are all climbing.
All right, thank you. There we go.
Tesla has been absolutely amazing.
Good,
Not
good.
a single red candle yet.
That one pulled back on me. Come on. Yeah, there's the pop. Rip. Right there. Volume should come in. There it goes. It's 400, 600, 650. Come on, rip. 700. 800. Take it for 5. That's what I was looking for. That 673.12 break up to 673.76 now. Nice job. Anybody making any money? The market's been open for 32 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
Yes,
I did,
sir.
boss. Thanks.
Good job.
Yes.
Yep.
Doing well, paper trading Apple.
Good job. SPY 673.76. Like I said, still got a lot of room here above that 200 on the 2-minute. I'm loving that up there. Yep. Come on back. Wait for it to breathe. Then I'm going to hammer you again. $673.76 was my next level. We just hit it by like 8 cents. New candle. Waiting to see if it's got a little more pullback. I'd like to, excuse me. I'd like to see it come down to this 673.12 for me to buy into again for long. That's it. A minute. Got to give the stop enough room here to work the spot. There it goes. There's your 9 bounce again. There it goes. There's 400, 600, 700. 900, 1,000, 1,100. I'll take it. How you like me now? Anybody else scoop that up on that 673.12 bounce?
I did, boss.
Nice job. Was that amazing or what? Didn't that feel good, ladies and gentlemen?
You called it to the penny, my friend.
If this is your first time watching, by the way, my name is Chad, aka the Coach. I've been trading in the stock market for 33 years. I have trained over 1 million people, retired over 250 people, made 14 brand new millionaires since doing this in the last 3 years, and over $300 million in profits as reported by my members. Not verified. Don't come at me. Appreciate you. We've broken 2 world records as far as I know. One was $25 million by a retail trader in a single trading session. That's one single day. And the other one was that one of our members, David, as a retail trader, has not had a red day in over a year. 2 world records, baby, in 3 years. That's what we do over here at American Dream Trading. Thank you for joining us. Make sure you click that subscribe, click that follow, do the things, clickety-click, right? Okay, great. Thank you. Appreciate you. Let's see. The Qs are up nicely. Apple up on that 200. Apple in a 2-minute EWO to the upside. So you had Apple 2-minute downside at the open. Then it rebounded and went to the upside. So you had 2 directions so far on Apple, right? First one was pretty hard just because there wasn't a lot of time for it. But the second one, much easier, breezier, right?
Yeah, it consolidated right out of the gate after all that dropping.
Yep, it did. Now on SPY, I had marked 673.76. It just missed it by 5 cents. Pulling back, if it can't hold that 673.12, I'll look at shorting it to 672.66.
Coach, the Russell bounced off the 7:30 a.m. double top.
All right, thank you. All right, SPY's holding on 673.12. A minute. See if it can hold. Nope. Psyched me out. At least my stop was just too tight. Like I said, I can't hold 673.12. I can short it to 672.66. Looked like it was going to hold there for a minute, and it didn't. I'm shorting. There it goes. Keep going. Bye-bye. Thank you. I'm in that 500, 700, 800. There's 1,000. 1,070, 1,200, 1,300, and I'll take it. What did I say? Short 673.12 to what? 672.66. What did it bounce on? 672.66. Are you not entertained, ladies and gentlemen? Huh?
Shift change.
Tell me right now, are you not entertained? Woo!
You're entertained,
Yes, sir.
Coach.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Great scalp, Coach.
Glorious. Glorious. Look to the sky. There's that American Dream Trading Eagle. That's nice. So nice. Look at that. If we can't hold this 672.66, I will short it down to the 200. I'm expecting a bounce right here. This looks like a breathe back, so please be careful, be cautious. So it just looks like a breathe back bounce. Be careful. Again, if it can't hold those 672.66, I'm going to get a nice short out of it. But don't try to do it early because it looks like a breathe back. It's pinched between the 21 and the 9. Do you guys see it?
Yeah.
Yes, coach. And on the 2 minute, it's pinched between the 200 and the 9 EMA.
I see it. Yeah, no touchy, right? No touchy. Let it figure it out. Not making
And we
any
got shift
move.
change in a few seconds.
Yep. 5 seconds to shift change. Thank you. Volume coming in 3, 2, 1, now. Again, I'm looking for the bounce. There it is, a minute. Bouncing off the 21. That's what I was looking for. See if it's got a little more. A little dab will do ya. Starting to pick up a little bit of steam. You got to break above this 9, though. Could not hold. It had to break the 9 and hold. Could not break above the 9 and hold. Shorting it. Oh, I immediately got stopped out. Had buyers come right in off that move. Like that was immediate. All right, starting to get a little bit of a pop. It's got to hold this 9 though, gang. This is that tough spot, right? That 9 and 21. I just took 2 nasty trades off the same little spot. Don't get chopped up in there, right? Hold. Let it figure it out. Don't do what coach did. Don't make 2 trades inside of a chop. $673.12 to $672.66. Those are our 2 areas. I almost longed it off of that 672.66, but again, the candle's moving so crazy in this little tight range, right? Still waiting to see what's going to happen here. By the way, thank you all for watching. I appreciate you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Don't forget to use that ADT code if you're going to pick up that prop firm goodies over on Tradeify. Otherwise, go to our website and you can join us right now. There we go. Starting to flush out. I want to see it break. There it goes. 370. There's 530. Took a little bit. Look at 672.66. That was our support, right? $672.66. Oh, it's struggle busting right there. Struggle busting. There goes the short. A minute. There's 700. 760. There's 1,000. 1,200. There's 1,800. There's 2,200. Boom. Just took a $2,000 trade off that short. That was that 672.66. I told you if it can't hold, I was going to short that thing, right?
Yes, coach.
Thank you.
Crushed it. Thank you.
Nice job. We're at VWAP and the 200 here. Be careful.
You are amazing. We love you.
I love you too, man. Appreciate you all being here, hanging out with the old man. Seeing what is going on, right? Don't forget, today is Bruno's birthday. Show him some love, please, if you would. and send him some Cash App. We posted it over in the Discord, right, everybody? Why do I not see it in the Traders Lounge? Somebody? Anybody? Bueller? Anybody? Let me see if I can find it. I need it over there ASAP. One of my moderators, are you going to get it so I cannot waste my time looking for it? Just tell me you got it.
I got it, Coach.
Thank you. SPY now went from green to red. SPY now went from green to red into that previous day close, right? It's like 20 cents right now. So this is all in that. This is a hot area right here. There it is. Thank you, Bucko. Appreciate you. Thank you, Miranda. I see yours over in a Zoom. Everybody show him some love today. Come on. Let's shower him with some birthday love. Thank you. Thank you for everybody tuning in over there. I see you all over on the TikToks. Appreciate you. Let me move this location so I can see you better. There we go.
So, Coach, would you go long as soon as it breaks VWAP here?
Nope. I want to wait till the break of 672.66 to the upside. See it?
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah, that'll clear my 9, my 21, VWAP, the 200, and a key area of resistance from before. Does that make sense?
Yep. So until then, it's still weak.
Yes. Yeah, this is a no-fly zone for me. I'm looking for a short below 671.30, which was also pre-market right here, or a long above 672.66 would be my setup. So I'll make it look like this. That is my long. This is my short. See it? And other than that, don't do what I did earlier and get chopped up in that middle area for no reason, right? There's just no reason to do that. No, don't do what I did earlier. Choppy. No choppy. There's that pullback. You see why they wouldn't want to long it there, partner?
Yep. Good call.
Yep. The old man.
I mean, it went up to the 9 and pulled back. That was textbook.
The old man knows a thing or two, don't he?
The old man does.
It's crazy. Sitting back down on support again. This is that 671.30 area for support. Goes below that, I will short it. But I'm watching right here, right? This is a major level for it now because it's touched it. This is the 4th time.
And NVIDIA's looking really heavy too.
All right, thank you. Yeah, right here. I'm shorting it.
All big 7 are pulling, all of them.
Okay, thank you. There it goes. There it goes. There's $700. 600's bouncing around. Boom, I'll take 400 out of the trade. Oh, you guys see why I shorted it down there, right? Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did. Good job. Good job. Did anybody short it below that 671.30? as directly related on my chart and told you exactly where, when, how, why, or what. Not financial, tax, or investment advice, did you?
Yes. I did.
Sir, did coach.
Goodness gracious.
1338.40 this morning.
Oh my. What in the world? Look at this. Oh, if you listen to the sound of the old man's voice, you might be making a lot of money. Woo! Or just sit there and stare. You could do that too. But if you're a new trader, that's all I want you to do is sit there and stare, right? Okay, great. Look at that. Right down to 670 and 60 cents, which was also a pre-market level. See it right here? It's funny. I still see all the kids talking about liquidity sweeps and all this bullshit. It's support and resistance literally all day. I've been doing this for, right, 3 decades. You can call it whatever you want. You can put little pretty pictures on it. You can paint it any way you want. Call it all sorts of fancy crap. At the end of the day, there is a reason why we are doing what we're doing, right?
Right on, boss.
Fibonacci retracement to my liquidity sweep into my supply and demand zone, in my open range breakout, my inverted range breakout, into my gap. Stop.
Value gap.
Stop the bullshit.
There's the voice. There's the voice.
It's the voice of reason.
There's the voice, y'all.
Oh, I love you guys. This is such a. I've got the greatest job on planet Earth. I like it.
Hey, coach, is that still the same number to go long? Is still 672.66 from here?
Yeah, I mean, you're getting a little bit better once we break the 21 up here. But honestly, if you want to be safer, for sure, right? Because you're going to run into some traffic here coming all the way up to that 672.66. So if you look at it, you got about a 60-cent window from the 21 to 66. To me, that's pretty tight. You know what I'm saying? Like, and the fact that it's been downtrending and I'm trying to go up on that little area when right now we're really just fighting the close of previous day, and no. Nope. Trend is your friend until it's not. And we are trending down right now, right, my friend?
Yep. SPY and NVIDIA charts look identical.
Are they? Let me look. Yep, I see it. Yeah, if you look at NVIDIA, right, it took the 2-minute right up to the 200 and pulled. See it? All right, so here we are. Now we're exactly previous day close. Exactly. This is resistance. This is why I said I don't want to be messing around with this area, right? I just let it work, man. Wait for a better setup. And honestly, if some of you are still waiting, look for a double top, a double bottom, or, right, we could look at the 673.71 and long that, or if it breaks below this low a day, we could short it. So those would be another 2 A+ setups, right? Because we're going with the momentums. That make sense? Okay, great. That's nice. Good job. Thank you. Oh, that's nice. Apple 2-minute EWO gang. How we doing over there? Is everybody surviving? Are you deep breaths and all the things? Oh.
Yeah, 2 short-lived trades, but still hanging in there.
Thank you. Did you lock in any profits?
I have so far $2,195.81.
$2,100. It's been 44 minutes. That can't possibly be, David.
It could have been more if I would have just scalped. I took a loss on runners in both directions.
Oh,
So
I
that's
gotcha.
why I know it's choppy today.
Yeah, absolutely. Good job over there, though. Way to hang in there. Way to do the things and all the stuff and click the buttons. That is David, by the way, closing in on $1 million. One of our amazing training moderators who's running the live Apple chat for VIP Gold and Diamond members. Absolutely beautiful. I think you have broken a world record, by the way, as a retail trader, not having a red day in over a year, by the way, because I have never, not one time ever, over 3 decades, have I ever heard of anybody doing that, David, just so you know. Ever. Ever. And the crazy thing is I think Mark might also be with you. I have not asked. Does anybody know?
I was gonna ask him the last day when he was in
Yeah.
here, when he took over, but I completely forgot.
Yep, same. I keep forgetting. So there, I know he's close to it, and I bet you if he's had a red day, I bet it's under 5 within the last year. You know what I mean? But he's never reported a red day to me. I've never seen one come out. So I don't know.
Well, and then this is in my day trading account, and I used to struggle with it in the past because I used to do some long-term stuff and day trading, and it got too confusing. So I do everything separated now. So all of my long-term is in Robinhood, and then all my day trading is Webull. That's what allowed me to keep better track of everything.
Smart. That's what I do too. I completely I don't have any of my longs over here on Webull. Yep. This is day trading literally only. Yep. All right, Spy. Come on, baby. I'd like to see this break and hold above this 21. Still not playing with this. I'm going to mark now. This is 672 now is resistance. So you've got that window now. Now above 672 to 672.66. If that's where I was going to long it, I've got enough range in there if you want to. Now remember, you better be a great scalper, and you've only got 60 cents. But that is the next channel. Everybody see it, right? But you better be patient. This is still downside momentum, and 672 is resistance. Looks really nice out today. I'm excited. I can't wait to get to the beach house. You know what I'm saying? We're going to be right on Virginia Beach. We have an ocean spot on the sand at the beach. Woo!
Hell yeah, Coach.
I'm
You gotta love that.
Glorious.
I'm so excited. I'll make sure you guys see it all there, but I'm super excited.
Yeah, because that's your environment.
Hey, Coach.
Yes, it is my environment. Absolutely. Yeah, go ahead.
You got a second to slap me around a little bit?
If I must.
I broke a rule, Coach.
Oh, damn it. All right, go ahead.
Well, my first trade, I got on IWM on the 1 minute. I got a scalp, got 1% of my total account.
Nice.
My second trade, I got in just 2 contracts on the 2 minute EWO on IWM. And it went green, it went red, it went green, it went barely green, kind of flickered red, and then went back green, and was just having a real hard time with that 237.75.
Yeah.
So I sold one up there at the top and set my stop just above what I paid.
Yep.
And then, of course, in that big pullback and all the chop, I got stopped out.
I gotcha.
So I didn't wait for it to break and hold below VWAP before getting out of the 2 minute EWO.
Well, that's okay. Just remember the other rule is never let a green trade go red. So if you were already too close where it would have gone red and below VWAP, we don't want to do that either, right?
Yes, sir.
So you were all right.
It was more for me the flickering back and forth, green, red, green, red, green, red, and
Yep.
IWM was fighting between going red, going green.
Yep. Yeah, that doesn't scare me. But Again, I don't want a green trade to go red, right? So if you were on the cusp, I don't need to be in that. If it's below VWAP and I'm on the cusp and all the things, I don't want nothing to do with that, right?
Yes, sir.
Good job. You guys see that 672? You guys see how that was resistance? And do you see why I did not like to go long on that, right? Until we broke up there. Does everybody see now?
Absolutely.
Yep. There's just no reason to be forcing them trades.
So where do you go short again?
Short is below 671.31, remember? See it on my screen? The big giant red ding ding, ding ding, ding ding. You see the line? Ding ding. That's downside momentum. Everything was set up below the 200, below the 21, below VWAP, below the 9. Everything was right. 671.31, right? It's the big one that says eat at Joe's. Ding ding, ding ding. The big neon arm pointing at it.
Little micro double bottom right there.
It is, absolutely. That's where I will collect either all or some and see if it pulls below it, right?
Yeah, that's a great move.
Yep.
671.30.
That's right. And I've got
Telling you where to go.
Yep, 671.30 was that upside all the way down to 670.60, which we already had marked, right? That is that micro double bottom. And there's your micro double bottom bounce back up to 671.31 to the penny. Now let's see what it's going to do. We've got 10 seconds on the candle. Look at to the penny right there. See it? Come on. I don't get paid enough for this job. I want a raise. Don, give me a raise.
All right, you got it.
All right, thank you. Boss says
Give
we're good
yourself
to
a
go.
raise.
Thank you. Boss said we're good to go for a raise. You guys hear that? All our memberships have doubled. All memberships
all that.
doubled the price. Oh, wait. Oh, everybody's like, no, wait.
I ain't say all that.
Oh, damn it. Well, guess what? That's the only way I get paid is through memberships.
Hey, there we go.
We either got to reach more people or I got to increase the prices.
Absolutely.
671.31. Isn't that exactly what I said right there? Or didn't that hit exactly to the penny and pulled back down to 670.60? Goodness gracious. Now, the fact that it's staying red, the fact that it's staying below VWAP, the fact that it's staying below 671.31, if it gets back below 670.60, because I haven't shorted it on that 671.30, I will short it there. So here's your two channels right here. Now we're just right inside of the micro double bottom channel, right? Isn't that a nice little A+ setup area, that little micro double bottom for you scalpers? Yeah, it is. And how many times has it paid you? Let's count the ways. 1, 2, 3, 4. So far, 4 times you've been paid off of a micro double bottom. Am I right? That's nice. Good job. Yay. Let's hear a round of applause for everybody who's been paying attention. Oh, and congratulations, by the way. One of our members on Friday made $4.3 million on Friday, whose name should not be mentioned. Nice job. Nice. Bruno, has your phone been lit up with Cash App today, or do we need to push that more? Has your phone been blowing up?
Been getting some steady ones. Thank you very much, everybody.
Thank you. Guys hear that? He says he ain't getting enough being sent over there. There's not enough love over there. Everybody sent Bruno some money. Come on, you tip your waiter or waitress $2 every time you get a damn beer. Bruno's over here literally helping us make hundreds of millions of dollars. Let's give it up for Bruno, everybody. Cash App. Get out your wallets. Stop being cheap. Stop it.
Bam.
Send that money. Send it. Send it. Send shit. Send shit.
You're getting worse.
Send it. Send it right now.
Now you sound like Bobby Boucher.
Yes, everybody do it. Do it. Do it now. Tell you what, flash sale for the next 35 minutes. Flash sale for the next 35 minutes. Any memberships that you guys buy, including the Diamond Lifetime memberships, I will give 5% of all proceeds to Bruno for his birthday. Let's make it right. Let's make it rain. Come on. Go, go. Go, go, go. Get it right now. Go, go, go.
Happy birthday, Bruno.
Go, go, go. Let's sell 10 of those Diamond Lifetime memberships. That'd be $2,500 in Bruno's pocket. How does that sound, everybody? Does that sound good? Let's sell 10 Diamond Lifetime memberships right now. How's that sound? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Come on. Scoop them up. Let's go. I'll run it till 11 o'clock. All brand new memberships until 11 o'clock. 5% of all of it will go right to Bruno's face so we can knock him over with cash right in the mouth. Scoop it up. Choppy chop. Choppy chop. What other boss tries to get people paid as much as I do? Am I right? Huh? Come on. Let's make some dreams a reality here. That went all the way back up to VWAP and pulled back. Did you guys all catch that?
Yep, yep.
Good job. Today is a great day for you to buy that Diamond Lifetime membership. It's going away. Come on, let's go. Get it. Let's get it. Get it. Get it. $6.70 and 60 cents. Still support. $6.70 and 60 cents. Still support.
Six, 7.
Yep, six. Oh no. Oh no. Oh boy. You hear that? Our young viewership should go up right now. 6-7. The old man Unk, right? Unk said 6-7.
That still cracks me up. 6-7.
6-7. All right, listen, it's 10:30. Has anybody made any money yet today? Open your mics. Let the world know.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, coach.
Absolutely.
Yes, coach. Yes.
2.47% total account.
Wow. Good job. I like it. Let's see. Darn Cricket says, done. Love your faces. ADT. Darn Cricket. Up 4%. Total account for the day. Wow. Great job. I see you posting in the Traders Lounge. Nice work.
Yeah.
James, our own moderator, up 2.47% account. Cash account. Nice job. Everybody do me a favor right now. Read them off. Everybody post all your P&L, all your profits over in the Traders Lounge. I'll start reading them right now. Get over there. Easy Jack, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Yes, coach. I have a quick question on the 2-minute EWO.
Okay, which ticker?
I did SPY.
Okay, go ahead. We're getting a
Go ahead.
huge pop right here. Hold on one sec.
Yep, huge spike. in
Yeah.
volume.
Are you in the trade? Do we need to discuss you in the trade or are you out
No,
of the trade?
no.
Okay.
It was after, so I thought we were.
Yeah.
Whenever you have a moment. Coach.
Yeah, no
Don't worry about it.
worries, partner. No worries. We're getting into a hot spot here. 672, gang. 672, right? If we can break above that, we're looking at that 672.66, right? Ah, pulled back on me. That's a little micro double top right here, but it was above VWAP. I should have got it right at that level. Would have gave me such a better spot for it. That was my fault. Oh, it's just sitting up on this. Now we're on a micro double top. We're 13 cents in from red to green. Yep, this is that little push I was looking for earlier right there. I missed the whole thing. Oh, stop me out. Damn it. Okay, go ahead with your 2-minute EWO. I'm listening. SPY.
Yeah, coach. So I got in at 940.
Okay.
Basically the second bar on the EWO.
Mm-hmm.
And you can tell that it's already pretty high up based on the previous two candles.
Uh-huh.
So obviously the contract had a little bit more higher value, higher price, gamma, implied volatility, all the things. And then you go up towards the, and then I started getting the red super trend right after that to about 4 minutes later.
Uh-huh.
And then would that be a good time to shed if you only have a small amount of contracts?
We use those shedding points. So right here is a shedding point. See this? Right here is a shedding point, and right here is get out. You see them?
Yep.
So
yep,
this is
that's
that.
yeah.
Yeah, this is that little triangle or little A right here. And then you can see right here, it made a lower area than what it was before. So you knew this was another pullback. See it? And then, of course, we don't hold in through below VWAP. So that would have been out. That's it. That's the whole trade.
Yeah, thank you, coach.
Yep.
And obviously, when you have the 200 above you, there's obviously a major resistance there.
That is correct. Yep. And then you're just going to be watching that area. That's correct.
Thank you, coach.
Yep. All right. Again, we're sitting up on the 672 area. 672 area. Micro double top. Did anybody short that off this micro double top? I was just getting ready to, and it's...
I did.
Yep, it's gone on me now. Oh. Oh.
This is beautiful, coach. Beautiful, that little micro double top.
Stayed
Again,
away from it because it was so close to the VWAP and it was just kind of going
Right.
Martian. I don't know. I'm scared there, to be honest with you.
Yeah, that's all right. I mean, that's what those stops are for, though, right, partner? Just have a nice tight stop.
Stop now.
I was in training, sir. Everybody else should have made money. You guys heard me call out a micro double top, right? Great.
I changed the account.
Yes, we did. I heard you.
Good job. IWM pulling back. Apple down on VWAP. SPY triple bottom down here 670.60, which is what we had as support earlier. Still everything trending to the downside. This was support earlier. But it went all the way up to VWAP. Couldn't hold. That's why we got such a massive pull this time, right? Triple bottom. Triple bottom. This is support. Yep. So I'm going to look for it to push up. As soon as this stalls, I can look at shorting it again as long as we stay below that 9, right?
25% total account today so far.
Oh my gosh. If only there were one place, Nana, where you could go to learn to make
Oh my
25%
gosh.
of your total account.
I can only do that with Spy. It's crazy, but stick to Spy.
Yep. Well, it's because you watch it every day, right?
Yo, every day, every minute, every time I'm here with you.
All
watch
the
her listen to
times.
you, Coach.
All-
She's always listening to you.
She's definitely
Oh, when
doing
you said
such a
triple
great
top,
job.
I was like, oh, I know what to do.
That's awesome. Great job. Good job. Oh. Did we get any Diamond Lifetime? Did you guys start lining Bruno's pockets by getting all those memberships? Did we? Anybody? Did we sell 10 Diamond Lifetime memberships yet? What are we waiting on? Christmas?
Not yet, Coach, but there's still hope.
All right. Triple bottom bounce here. Support at 670.60. All I'm looking for is just to pop back up to the 671.30, which is the 9, and then I want to short it. If it stalls out like it is now, I'm shorting it. Oh, too tight of a stop in here still. Damn it. I like this spot for a short though. I got in a little too early with a little too tight of a stop. Yeah, that's nice. See it coming off this 9 right here? $671.30. That's that resistance level, remember? Because that was before was support. It is really dancing around with this spot. Come on. More. Ah. You sucker. Took off. Ping. Oh, nice. Okay. Nice. Mark just said good news. His father is done with the surgery. Just waiting. I'm waiting a couple more hours. And everything should be stabilized and all that good stuff. So good job. Thank you, everybody, for the prayers. Continue to pray, though, right? Not out of the woods yet. Continue to pray for Mark and his father. That'd be great. Appreciate you and positive thoughts for those, for the people, for my non-believers. Appreciate you. All right, it's 10:38. It is slow in here. I don't see, we did not make 800 million new Diamond members. Get in there. We're going to run that until 11 o'clock. Everybody take advantage of that. But I am going to fly because guess what? I'm going to pack. I'm going to get in the old Cybertruck and I'm going to hit that FSD drive me to my destination button. Boop. I'm going to kick back and relax. And then my system's going to be like, Coach, you are now at the beach house. And then I'm there. And then I'm done. Poof. Just like magic. So I'm out of here. Thank you to all of my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Don, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Palm Coast, Richard, Doug, Bucko, Chris, Eminem, Ralph, James, Gilly, and Diesel Dan. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. We appreciate you so much. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. And real quick, I want to read these off. So Daz is up 6K. Mike is up 1.5%. Reg P is up 1,656. Jay Fields is up 3%. Brad K 1%. Rawhide 2%. Valhalla 2.29%. Bill 3%. Bucko 51% on Banana. MK is up 14.5%. Rawhide Harley 1%. Cow Fifi 1.7%. Daniel R. Paper Trading 8.4%. One Tall Cool One is up 12. I don't know if that's $12 or 12%. So there they are. Thank you so much. I appreciate all of you. Everybody have a blessed day. God bless. I'm out of here. I will see all of you tomorrow from the beachfront property. Here you go. Little Jesus for you on the way out. Okay. Appreciate you. I'm out. See ya.
Godspeed, Coach.
Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate you.
Appreciate you, good.